Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mandy. Today we are going to be doing the BoxyCharm unboxing. I've never had a box this small, so I'm wondering what's in it. I did see the Alamar, I think it's called, or it's a blush palette that I did see a sneak peek because everybody, like I say, every month posts on their thumbnails what's in the box. So it kind of ruins it. So anyway, if you're new to this and you're not used to subscription boxes, this is a $21 a month box and you get 5 full-size items in every month. And I love this box. It is one of my favorites, and without further ado, we're going to get into it. So let's see what's here this month. I am super excited. So I just got off of work. If my face looks a little messy, I'm sorry. So you open it up, it says, "Hello, Charmers." And, oh my God. Okay, so that's not, I did that, oh my gosh. So that is what's, are you serious? I didn't know that. Okay. Okay, BoxyCharm. All right. So the theme is make waves. And then on the back, it tells you about the products. So I'm going to pull out this Glam Glow. Oh my goodness. So this is Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser. Oh my goodness. It's definitely full size, but it's only worth $28. That's weird. Gentle but make it bubbly. This daily conditioning gel cleanser gently but effectively cleanses skin and dissolves makeup. Nice. Oat amino acids condition while the vegan formula with apple extract, vitamin E, and green tea extract bubbles up to deep clean and removes impurities. Soap, fragrance, and SLS free. All skin types approve. And it, like I said, it's $28. I love this packaging. Oh my goodness. So that pays for the box right here. I would think that it was a little bit more expensive being it's Glam Glow, but hey, I'm excited. I've just gotten into Glam Glow. I'm really enjoying my night cream. Oh my goodness, look at it. It's so pretty. All right. Let's see how it smells. Oh, does it not open? Oh, it smells kind of good too. I'm very excited about this. Super excited about this. All right, so the next thing I'm seeing is another product that I do not have, and it is Dose of Colors. And it is a liquid matte lipstick. Your new Dose of Colors liquid matte lipstick has a velvety high fashion matte finish which envelopes lips in rich long-wearing color. It applies as a creamy liquid, but after a few minutes, it dries down to an ultra-comfortable matte finish. And this is an $18 lipstick, and it is in the shade Merlot. So it looks like a nice, oh, that's pretty. I like the packaging. I love how it's the glass here. Is it glass? I think it is. All right, so let's see. A swatchy swatch. Oh, that's deep. That's really pretty, though. Wow. The camera's picking up more red, but it's a little bit more pinkish. But yeah, it's showing red on the camera. That shows really red. All right. So, excited about that. All right, next thing I'm pulling out is Eye Lustre Cream Eyeshadow from Ciate London, and another brand that is a really good brand. Let me move this stuff out of the way. And then, so is there only, I'm going to say, is there only 4 items, or is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, no, there's 5. All right, so this says Eye Lustre Cream Eyeshadow. Your new Ciate London's Eye Lustre will help you create long-lasting, shimmering eyeshadow looks. The metallic, glittering liquid shadow can be swiped on for full coverage, blended out for sheer sparkle, or applied over any eyeshadow as a topper. And it is the shade Cupid. It says fallout free on it. We'll see about that. Oh my goodness, that's really pretty. Look at the glitter. You guys know I love my glitter. And it is a $22. So let's do another. Oh my gosh, BoxyCharm stepped it up this month. Wow, that's gorgeous. I love that. Oh my goodness, I'm using this tomorrow. Super excited about that. All right, so let's move on to the next item. And it's not one I'm super happy about because we get so many of these. But this is Bodography in Midnight Blue eyeliner. And it says, this vegan cruelty-free Bodography lip pencil is antioxidant rich, infused with coconut oil and vitamin E. The smooth yet long-wearing formula glides on effortlessly, delivering durable pigment that can frame, fill in, and define the lips. Okay, so why does it say lips when it's an eyeliner pencil? And it's $14. Oh, and it's really a pencil. See, that's what it is. And that's what it looks like. It's not that bad. I just wonder how it's going to look underneath the eyes. All right, so the last item is the one that I've seen on everybody's thing. Oh, it's sealed too, on everybody's thumbnails. So, oh, I just cut it a little bit. Oh, so it is the Alamar Cosmetics Colorette Blush Trio, and that's what it looks like. It's very, very pretty. I love the packaging. Packaging is everything. And it says, get your blush on with your new Alamar Cosmetics Colorette Blush Trio. Formulated to glide effortlessly over your cheeks, this buttery, smooth, high-pigmented, and completely vegan formula delivers a sun-kissed flush without the damage of the rays. And it is $22. So, I've never had any of their products. I know they've sent things to BoxyCharm before, but I wasn't a customer at that point in time. So let's do some swatches. I've heard really good things about this company. So those are the swatches. And then I'm going to do right under here, so you guys can see it. All right, so there's the swatches. I think they're very pretty. I mean, I would use every single color on there. So, my gosh, you guys, this box killed it this month. Like, this is amazing. It's awesome. So we've got, let's recap our box. So we've got the Glam Glow, amazing. We've got the Dose of Colors lipstick, this sparkly Ciate eyeshadow, the eye pencil that's in blue, which is not that bad, and the Alamar palette. So what do you guys think about this? Did you like BoxyCharm this month? I do. I think it's a really good BoxyCharm, and this is why I said in the beginning of the video that I really enjoy getting this box, and I do not mind paying $21 for all this, because you definitely get worth the value. So another thing that I wanted to add, because I didn't want to make a video just singly about it, but as you guys know, I just recently had my birthday. So I thought I would share with you what my boss and his daughter got for me, because I thought it was very special. And it really touched me. So they bought me the Becca set and Chrissy Teigen, which I have been looking for and not been able to find. So you open it up, it looks like that. And her stuff is scented. I have not opened it up. Excuse me, I'm moving around again. But I did read the back, and it says that it's definitely like a cinnamon churro. And this is supposed to taste like vanilla. So let me just show you a swatch of this. I'm excited to get into the highlighters to see what that looks like. So that is that. Gorgeous, gorgeous color. Definitely. Oh, it does smell good. That's very pretty. I can't believe my boss and his daughter bought this for me. I mean, it's so awesome. All right, so the next item in here is the highlighter, and it is called Cinnamon Sugar. It's sealed. So let's see. Am I going to be able to get it open with no nails? Probably not. That's the only thing about not editing your videos. So I'm going to have to get my little knife to get this thing open. But yeah, that's the only thing about not being able to edit yet, is cutting this stuff out. But honestly, I do kind of like sitting down and just, you know, talking to you and being real and, you know, just everyday kind of stuff where it's not edited and it's just real, as I try to rip this open and not cut myself. So I'm not gonna get it all the way open. Well, maybe I got a hold of it. I did. All right, so that is what it looks like when you open it up. And then let's see how bright this is. I'm excited for this. It's such a pretty container. Oh, wow. Look at that sparkle. All right. So, where's left on my hand? So, we've got that. My dog is in the background again. Sorry about that. And here she goes. Reba, stop it. All right. And then the last item is another... This is like a jelly highlighter with a eyeshadow on the top, which is super, super cool. It has a little mirror, and then it has the eyeshadow on there. Stop. Please stop. And then, so let's do a swatch of that. So there's that. Definitely, oh my gosh. Wow. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? That's really pigmented. And then let's do a swatch. Ooh, look at that consistency. Beautiful. And let's do a swatch of this. That is what that looks like. Ooh, that's pretty. And it's so smooth. I am so honored to get this from them. Let me put it on a different spot because you can't see that. Yeah. See if you can see it there. So there is what it looks like. I know it's kind of hard to see, but there it is. And it is beautiful. The camera's not picking it up. So anyway, a special thank you to my boss and his daughter, Sydney, for picking this stuff up for me. I love it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And guys, thank you so much for coming and watching. My dog says thank you too. And we will see you in our next video. Thank you, and you have a good day, guys. Bye.